Transferring money to Gcash from Revolut is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. You can't directly transfer money to Gcash from Revolut, so you will need to transfer money into your local bank first. To do so, go to Transfer from your Revolut app. Go to New and then Bank Receipt. Select the recipient's country and currency and their account details and tap on Add Recipient. After that, go back to Transfer and tap on the search bar. Here, select the account and choose the beneficiary. Tap on Send. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, along with the reference, and click on Continue. Before completing the transfer, review all the details. If everything is in order, press Send. Once your money is transferred to the local bank, you can send it to your Gcash account. You can do it as a normal transfer. Select your Gcash account from your bank account and enter its details. Enter the amount you want to send and do the transfer. By following this indirect way, you can transfer your money to your Gcash account from Revolut.